ER points. Where are they? How do I find them? And how do I use them? All right. And I am going to go down here to Essential Rewards. Now, I will show you that when you first log into your virtual office, right up here at the very top, if you can see this little area, it shows you your reward point balance, okay? You can click on details here, or you can go down to Essential Rewards. Since it's right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and click this shortcut. So we're gonna hit details, and right here, it takes me into my reward balance, okay? A few things to point out here. One, your point balance. This is how many points you've accumulated. Expiring points, you have 1 calendar year from the time that you are awarded your points to use your points. So this lets you know how many points are about to expire, and make sure, guys, that you use them before they expire. Your current earn rate, okay? Depending on how long you have been on Essential Rewards, you are either earning at 10% within the first 3 months, or you are earning at 20% if it's within the first, well, what is it, 4 to, I'm drawing a blank, the middle window, 4 to 23 months, I believe. And then on your 24th month, I may have that off, at the 2-year mark, I believe, is when you get that 25%. And as long as you continue ordering monthly, your percentage will stay. If for some reason you ever cancel out of Essential Rewards and then you jump back on, this percentage starts over. So just be mindful of that. Okay, so we're gonna go down here, we're gonna scroll down. You're going to see redeem your reward points. You can shop now. Note that there is a limit per month. You can only use 375 points per month. You can also look at your point history. You can look and see how many points you've been awarded on what date, and when you've used points. So, or if you've lost points, if they've expired and you haven't used them. This is the area that you can click on, and it's going to show you this right here, and it's going to show you that information, okay? How to use my Essential Reward points. Guys, here's a clip video here that you can, I think it's a video. I haven't actually looked at this one, but there is a video. So there you go, guys. So this will give you a video, and then it walks you through all the different things dealing with you can check out. That is, yeah, so that's at the very bottom of the page. But I'm gonna go here to redeem your rewards. So we're gonna shop to redeem points. And here, it's just a little note letting you know, hey, you're gonna redeem your points, yay! Okay, so let's hit continue. All right, so this brings you up to your, I call it like the virtual light catalog. And I'm just going to, let's just go into Thieves here. So something I want to point out, do you see these purple ribbons here? The purple ribbons mean these are eligible. You can read that. It is eligible to be used for Essential Rewards. Why is it that there are certain things that are not? Here's the Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. As you can see, it is not available to be used for Essential Reward points. One of the reasons for this is this Home Thieves Cleaning Kit comes with a bucket. It comes with a bag to store your oils in. There's a couple of items in there that are not actual, what's the word I'm trying to say, and I can't think of it, but the products like the oils or the face wash, or I don't necessarily maybe consumable products, but this is why that one does not have the PV or the ribbon next to it in order for you to be able to utilize. Another ones are, if you look down like at our business information type stuff, your magazines, your brochures, these you cannot use your points to redeem, okay? So I've already added a few things in my cart, so I'm just gonna kind of go here. As you can see, Rutabaga is not one of those options, so we're gonna take that off. But I have added Stress Away and I've added Lemon on here. So both of those have blue ribbons next to it. I'm gonna go ahead and hit checkout. When you get into this area, check your shipping, Check your shipping method. Remember, you have, if you're subscribed to WileGo or WileGo Plus, you get to use one of those credits right here. Make sure that you actually select the credit that you want to use. If not, you can choose another option for your shipping. Go to the next step. This is your payment. When you get to your payment, this is where you can use your points. Now, I will tell you, you cannot split an item. So say you only have 9 points and your limit is 11.5. You cannot apply 9 points to this and pay the difference. It is not allowed. The system doesn't allow it. So you have to make sure that you have enough points to cover the item. If you do not, then that's just an item that you would pay for out of pocket. So from here, you could click the items that you want to use your points for. Any additional amount that you have to pay out of pocket will show up here and what is owed. You can go over to this side and you can see what was it that I did that I'm having to pay for. So here you see your subtotal, which that was actually covered in the points, but my shipping and then tax and then my donation was what was left over. So that actually is where the $11 charge is coming in. If you are on, just as an example, if you've already prepaid, which I think is amazing, I would absolutely encourage you to use those. The WileGo, the WileGo Plus. I'm sorry, the WileGo Plus. You would have to have the WileGo Plus in order to use this for your quick orders. The WileGo, you can check the video that I did earlier on this subject, is just for your Essential Rewards monthly order. The WileGo Plus is what gives you additional tokens or additional credits to be able to apply to your quick orders. So I'm selecting that here, just kind of going back over this. I apologize. I should have done that to begin with. And as you can see, because I did my shipping, then I used my Essential Rewards here. The amount difference owed is 0. So here on the right-hand side, you can see the subtotal is 42 for the oils I'm getting. There is no shipping because I used a credit. There's no rounding because it's a whole, obviously. So my points are what's being used for the complete transaction, guys. This is awesome. This is one of the reasons why I do love that WileGo Plus. And then you hit next step. It shows you everything that you're getting. It's just a summary of everything. And then you can hit place order. And guys, that is how you redeem your Essential Reward points. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave me a message and I will either answer your question or I will help find an answer to your question. Thank you guys for joining in.